Have you ever heard about Amar Reshi? No? Okay, then first, let me tell you his inspiring story. Amar is a design manager based in the Bay Area in San Francisco. One day he decided to play with ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI tools. And by combining all of them, assembled a children's book called Alice and Sparkle and published it on Amazon. Alice and Sparkle follows a young girl who builds her own artificial intelligence robot. Here's what he tweeted few days after publishing his book. Yes, you read it right. From idea to illustrations to becoming a publisher-author in just a weekend. And guess what? Reshi has already sold copies through Amazon.
What?
Here is what he said. Anyone can use these tools. It's easily and readily accessible, and it's not hard to use either. Mind-blowing, isn't it? What if I told that you can do the exact same thing, starting today, and 100% free? Even more interesting, right? Now let's see how much money we can generate using this method. Let's take this example. Almost 3,000 ratings. Multiply by $16.99. This book has made almost $50K alone. Another one, almost 2,000 ratings, for $9.99 each, over $19K. Quite impressive, isn't it? If you like it, don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to create a similar children's book using two amazing tools, ChatGPT and Midjourney. If you want to learn how to make money online by selling storytelling books for children, this video is for you. First things first, let's talk about what ChatGPT and Midjourney are. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI and released in November 2022, and it's completely free. Midjourney is a web platform that allows you to create stories using different types of media, including text, images, and videos. Together, these tools make it very easy and way faster to create engaging children's books that will captivate young readers. Now that we have a proven method to make money online, let's dive in. Step 1. Brainstorming your story. The first step is to come up with a story idea. It has to start with your imagination. This is where ChatGPT comes in handy. You can start by giving ChatGPT a simple prompt, such as, "I want to write a children's book about a magic garden," and see what kind of response it generates. For example, here's a response from ChatGPT. In the magic garden, there were flowers that could talk and trees that could dance. The garden was home to a group of friendly animals who loved to play together and explore their enchanted surroundings. This is just a starting point, but it can help you get your creative juices flowing and inspire you to come up with more ideas for your story. You have to iterate with ChatGPT almost like a brainstorming partner. Step 2. Writing your story. Once you have an idea for your story, it's time to start writing. You can use ChatGPT to help you generate ideas for specific scenes or characters in your story. For example, if you're stuck on what the main character should look like, you can ask ChatGPT, "Describe a friendly animal character for a children's book," and see what kind of response it generates. Here's an example response from ChatGPT. The main character of your story could be a lovable and adventurous little rabbit with big floppy ears and a bright pink nose. She's always eager to explore new places and make new friends, and she loves to hop around and play games. ChatGPT can help you come up with unique and interesting details for your story, and keep your creative energy flowing. Step 3. Illustrating your story. Once you've written your story, you have to think through how do you visualize it. It's time to bring it to life with illustrations. And that's where Midjourney comes in. You can use Midjourney to create illustrations that will engage young readers and make your story come alive. For example, you could create a garden with different flowers and plants that readers can learn more about. You can also use Midjourney to create simple illustrations. For example, you could create the illustrations for the story of your main character and select the images which best fit that story. There are plenty of alternatives to Midjourney, like Leonardo.ai. Even Canva has an AI image generator. Step 4. Putting it all together. Finally, it's time to put everything together and create your finished children's book. You can use Canva templates to create your digital storytelling book and publish it on Amazon KDP so that readers can access online, or get a paper version of it and share it with friends and family. It's very easy, and Canva has plenty of free and customizable storybook templates you could use. In conclusion, ChatGPT and Midjourney are powerful generative AI tools that can help you bring your storytelling ideas to life. By following the 4 steps outlined in this video, you can create a fully illustrated and narrated story from start to finish. With a little bit of creativity and the right tools, you can create a unique and engaging story that will captivate your audience. Whether you're looking to create a fantasy adventure or a more personal tale, ChatGPT and Midjourney make it easy to bring your ideas to life. It is that simple. So if you want to start making money online, give these tools a try and see what you can create. I will do the same on my side and maybe share the results of this passive income idea in a future video, so stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. I hope you found this content valuable and informative. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.